Hi guys, this is Khushpreet Sokhi and you're watching SokhiTech. I have been using the Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus from past 2 weeks and I have good things to share. I'm gonna divide my review between pros and cons of the device. So let's talk about the cons first. Frankly, each device I own, I usually get around 4 to 5 annoying things, the cons that I really want to talk about. But this device have really won me over. There are so less negative points about the device that I really like and prefer this device at around the price of 30,000 rupees. So first of all, let's talk about the negative points. First negative that I want to talk about is the rear camera. It's not a bad quality camera, it's a good camera, but it does not have live focus feature that is available in the front camera. So this phone is mainly for selfie. If Samsung would have put another camera at the back or even have put some live focus in using software optimization, it would have been so much better. Second negative point I want to talk about is the performance. It's not that it is a bad performing phone, it hangs or stutters. It's not like that, it's just the Samsung UI. I really like the Samsung UI otherwise. I'm not the kind of guy who likes stock UI over Samsung just because it performs good. I really like Samsung UI because of all the features it have, but still in performance point I would like to say that the competition like the OnePlus 5T, which are having better processors, perform a little bit better. That's a little bit of negative point of the device. Another con I would like to talk about is it does not have wireless charging. I'm pretty impressed with the wireless charging feature. It's very convenient to use, especially at night when you're going to sleep. You just have to put your device down. Samsung should have added this feature, which would have been positive over the competition. Further, talking about the positives of the device, I'm pretty impressed with the device. The screen is pretty good. It's Super AMOLED Full HD display. It's 6 inches and 18:9 aspect ratio, which makes a 6-inch device easier to hold. Another positive about this device is the front camera. It's pretty good at doing the portrait mode or the live focus, what Samsung call it, or the bokeh effect, which we get in DSLR. I found it pretty good and consistent with the bokeh, and as you might already know, you can adjust the bokeh after taking the picture as well. Another good thing I like about the device is the speaker placement. Samsung is trying to move the speaker placement over to the side of the phone. If you hold the phone while gaming or watching a video from both the ends, the audio don't get muffled. So that's a good thing. I really like the placement of the speaker. Another good thing about the device is the dual SIM memory card slot with a standalone dedicated micro SD card. I really like this feature and really wish the upcoming Galaxy S9 and the Note 9 should have that, but I'm pretty sure they won't. Now talking about battery life, I have been using this device for about 2 weeks now and there's not a single day that I have depleted my battery at the end of the day. So you are good for a day. Another positive for lots of you guys out there is the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now talking about the face unlock feature, it is as good as it is in the Note 8 or other flagship devices from Samsung. The fingerprint placement that is under the camera is great. It's finally in the center, a better placement than the S8 and the Note 8. Another positive thing that I really like and wish that future Samsung phones should have, or rather should not have, is the Bixby button. This phone does not have the Bixby button. It does have Bixby included in the software, but you can simply swipe and turn it off. A dedicated Bixby button is really an annoying thing and this device does not have, so it's a positive thing. Overall, I would like to conclude that if you are looking at a device, especially a Samsung device at around 30,000 rupees, this is the best one to get. If you look at the competition, especially the OnePlus 5T, I know it's a different kind of device. It's for the people who are into performance. If you are looking at the best performing device, you can simply go and get the OnePlus 5T. That's the best performing device at this price range. But if you are looking at a smartphone that can take good quality selfie portraits, doing live focus and good quality rear camera with all the latest features, a 6-inch display, a 6GB RAM, and a good performance, and that too from a better brand, in my perspective, a Samsung device, this is the best one to get. That's it for now. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply to you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.